This is a used 2008 Pontiac G8. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include internet connectivity, electric trunk, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.